So right now, let me introduce the company's CP300 LED grow light bulb to you. And so firstly, this is aluminum housing, aluminum, and the end cap is aluminum type. We also can provide PV material type. This one is aluminum type. It's very beautiful and high quality. And look at LEDs. We are using 3 watts LED with lens, high quality lens. This lens can be the beam angle can be changeable. We have 60 degree, 90 degree, and 120 degree for optional. And this light is external driver. The driver is a waterproof type. And for this driver, we also can provide mean-wave driver. This is my company's standard type. And there is also a switch. You can switch on this light like this. The spectrum can be customized because different spectrum for different plants. So you can customize the spectrum.